NetScore splitting and cutting provides the manufacturing and distribution companies that ability to conduct splitting and cutting of products, which enhances NetSuite to manage complex cutting processes, maintains the integrity of lot tracking and other traceability requirements through the manufacturing process. Let's get started. How it works. First, search the bundle with NetScore splitting and cutting. Click on the NetScore splitting and cutting. Click on Install. After successfully installed in the NetSuite account, all the components were auto-configured. From here we need to split and allocate the customer ordered quantity from the parent coil. To do this, first navigate to the sales order. Select the customer. Add the customer order item and line level. For instance, the customer ordered a 24-inch of 100 quantity each of 2 coils, a total 200 quantity. Based on the UM conversion, the coil was transferred to a production work order screen. On Save the Record, you can view an S2P button, which is a select quantity to produce. Initially, the quantity has not existed for the customer ordered item. To do this, we are going for a splitting and allocation process. On click of the S2P button, a select quantity to produce screen opens with all the associated line items of sales order with ordered quantity. Select the coil, then click on Produce. It creates a production work order record. Open the production work order record. You can find the items that have been transformed from the quantity to produce screen. Edit the production work order record to select the parent coil. Select the parent coil item from which the coil needs to allocate the quantities to child coil from parent coil. Select the coil, which produces the minimum scrap quantity based on the ordered quantity. And save the record. Now, click on the Split or Yield button, where the items on the line level are viewed. Enter the value, how many numbers of child coils need to be split. Click on the Split button. After splitting the coils, you can view the quantity has split to 100 of 2 coils. Click on the lot allocation and select the coils, where coils will be transferred to the allocation screen to allocate the required quantity from the master coil. Now, you can view the list of available quantities, bins, lot numbers of parent coil. Select the coil to allocate the quantity. Click on the Submit button, which creates a bin transfer record. In line level of production work order, and new lot numbers are generated with assigned quantities, which we'll use to associate to the child items. Finally, click on the Complete Work Order. This creates an inventory adjustment in which the quantity is decreased from parent coil and a positive adjustment is made to increase the quantity to child coil. Select the bin where the lot numbers and quantity need to assign for child items. Click on Complete PWO, where an inventory adjustment record will create for the production order. An inventory adjustment in which the quantity is decreased from parent coil and a positive adjustment is made to increase the quantity to child coil. On seeing the child item has added the quantity, lot numbers, and bins, which are ready to ship for customers. This a complete flow of core splitting and cutting.